What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can see who's subscribed, comments, and likes your videos. First thing you're going to do is go to your YouTube channel, click Creator Studio. Once you get to Creator Studio, you're going to see Dashboard, Video Manager, Live Streaming Community. You're going to want to go to Analytics. Once you get to Analytics, it's going to show you your watch time, view duration, views, likes, dislikes, comments, and shares, videos and playlists, and subscribers on the last 28 days of your channel being up. It also shows you your top 10 videos, whether it's in watch time, views, likes, or comments, and top geographies that it's watched in, gender, playback locations, and traffic sources. But once you get to Analytics, you're going to want to go to Demographics, which is right under Analytics, and then it's going to show you viewer age that watches your YouTube channel. So yeah, it's just going to show you your viewer age of like percentages, and it'll show you the percentage of gender and how old they are. So that's basically it, guys. Remember, you're going to go to Analytics. I'll just do it once more for you guys so you can see it. Analytics, Demographics, 5 down under Analytics, and shows you all this helpful information. Make sure to comment down below if you want more how-to videos. Also, thank you guys so much for 406 subscribers. I can't believe we got here. We're growing so fast. Keep it going by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing this channel. I hope you like this how-to video. Also, make sure to go subscribe to XFTX Relentless. I'll leave his link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.